Canon invited me to join the Pixmakers Challenge, and I'm going to take an old shirt and turn it into scrunchies with the help of my Canon PixMat printer. My design is ready. I've created some dots and lines. Now it's time to print. This is what the scrunchie looks like. I really like the end result and it was pretty easy to do. With the Canon PixMat printer, it's not just fabrics you can print, there's so much more you can do, so you can be really creative. For example, you can print your pictures on magnets, which seems like a really cool idea to me. What would you create with the Canon PixMat printer? Tell me in the comment section below. Share your creations on Instagram using the hashtag MadeWithPixma and tag me and Canon Deutschland.